Use identity verification and screening to automate the essential identity and anti-money laundering checks required for secure applicant onboarding. You can unify disparate screening processes into a single, automated workflow. Integrate real-time due diligence checks directly into your onboarding workflow to eliminate friction and ensure every applicant meets your risk standards before they move forward. Easily establish connection with external verification and screening systems by creating integration definitions for identity verification and screening checks. Monitor the progress of automated identity and anti-money laundering checks to stay updated on verification status. Review the party profile within the applicant record to assess centralized KYC and due diligence details. Automate complex regulatory requirements so they run seamlessly in the background. This reduces onboarding time and protects your firm from fraud. Eliminate verification bottlenecks so your team can focus on building relationships instead of managing data entry. Provide the automation and visibility to build trust and scale your onboarding operations with confidence with identity verification and screening.